Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into best PayPal marketing tools to boost your online sales, and here's how it works. If you want to get more sales using PayPal, these marketing tools make checkout smoother and help convert visitors into buyers. The PayPal marketing solution lets you add buy with PayPal button and banners on your site, showing customers a trusted payment option right away and trust higher conversion. You can also use the PayPal promotional banners and email campaign to remind shoppers of special offer or abandoned cart, plus tools like PayPal Smart button that adapt to your buyer's preference. So PayPal, credit card or local pay method together, this make checkout easier and boost sales without heavy tech setup. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more e-commerce tips and comment which tools you will start with, and that's it.